free run, in a sense, for the Lamborghini, the driver of the Lamborghini, Shivam Mishra. Remember, the son of a tycoon from Kanpur whose Lamborghini crashed into pedestrians and leaving several injured, and now he has got bail. Remember, this is a case that NDTV has been pursuing, and there you can see those visuals as well of him leaving the court after being granted bail in just a couple of hours. It took 4 days for the Kanpur police to actually arrest him. He was allowed to leave the spot of the accident with his bouncers, and now he gets bail in just a few hours' time. So that is the big story. We'll continue to track very, very closely. It's on a personal bail bond of 20,000 rupees. There's also he's also spoken. Let's just listen in.
पुलिस द्वारा रिमांड के लिए अभियुक्त को पेश किया गया था, जो कि खारिज हो गया है। पुलिस की कमियों के आधार पे यह रिमांड खारिज कर दिया गया है। किसी और अभियुक्त को, शिवम मिश्रा को छोड़ दिया गया है। शिवम मिश्रा को उसका रिमांड खारिज करके छोड़ दिया गया। क्या वजह है कुछ हो गया? पुलिस ने जो नोटिस की तामीला की बात बताई थी वह कोर्ट में साबित नहीं कर पाए, क्योंकि नोटिस उसको दिया जाना अति आवश्यक था। 7 साल से कम की सजा है। 7 साल की कम की सजा में 35 की नोटिस, 41(1) की नोटिस को दिया जाना मैंडेटरी है। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के दिशा निर्देशों को पुलिस द्वारा नहीं माना गया है और उसको गिरफ्तार करके यहाँ लाया गया था। इस वजह से उसका रिमांड खारिज हो गया।
All right, so that was the lawyer for Shivam Mishra there speaking. But let's now go across to Ranveer for more on this entire story. And Ranveer, absolutely shocking. It took 4 days for the police to arrest him. However, it is a process, but he has been granted bail within hours.
This is because of Kanpur police lapses. We can clearly say this because Kanpur police initially did not done any kind of medical examination. Also, this case is related to an offence which is not under heinous crime category. So that's why this is a bailable offence. And now the court, during the argument, asked the Kanpur police that why you have arrested Shivam in such hasty manner. So the argument by Kanpur police was not satisfactory, and that's why Kanpur court decided to reject Kanpur police application for remand of the accused Shivam Mishra. And Shivam Mishra will now be released on a personal bond of rupees 20,000. So this is clear that Shivam Mishra will not be interrogated in this case as of now, because police demand of for police custody has been rejected by Kanpur ACGM Court 7.